to see in the dark. So at nighttime, turn the bathroom lights off, turn the bedroom light off, change in the dark. And you're right, it's really made a difference. So at first, everything was not quite scary, but a bit odd. And I found if I left everything where I knew they were, I could find them quickly and then see them. I'm not quite able to see bottles, what's written on them. Not yet in the moonlight, but we're getting there. You know, it's improving, which is great.
But you recognize the shapes, you see more of the contrast.
Shapes. Good. I can see different colors or shades of colors, which is great. But I'm also appreciating seeing things in the moonlight, which I think I haven't taken notice of before, because you can just turn the lights on. So it's a better appreciation of what we have naturally, which is really exciting.
Great.
And I'm even happier that everything that has been improving. So the difference between the two eyes, that if I use the patch now with my weaker eye, the right one, I can see a bit further than I thought. I can recognize things better. I've even managed to put eyeliner on for the first time. Because usually I think I know where I'm putting it on, and then it ends up much higher than I imagined when I shut the good eye. So yes, first time in my life I've managed to semi-put it in the right direction.